16 divided by 2 square parenthesis 4. Hello and welcome back to Neil Explains. Try to solve this math. This is actually very simple math, but try to solve my your own and comment your answer if you found this very simple. And I will solve with the help of PEMDAS here. And those who don't want to solve, they can match your answer. Okay, so here we can rewrite according to PEMDAS, that is parenthesis exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. We will solve. Here we can see there is parenthesis, but this doesn't mean this is simply a multiplication. So we will write here 16 divided by 2 square times 4. This is simple form. Okay, this is very simple form. And 16 divided by 2 square is nothing but what? 2 times 2, which equals to 4. So we can simply write 4 on the place of 2 square. So we will write 4 times 4. 16 divided by 4 times 4, which equals to 16, and 16 divided by 16, which equals to 1. And this is the right answer. Do you think this is the right answer? No. Up to this step, this is correct, but these steps are not correct. Okay, so we will rewrite here 16 divided by 4 times 4. As we can see, there are two operations, that is division and multiplication, and we know we have multiplication, division, both have the same priority. We have to operate on this case left to right, so we have to operate left to right, and from left we have this division operation, that is 16 divided by 4, which equals to 4. So we can write on this place of this operation, we will simply write 4 times 4, and 4 times 4 is nothing but what? 16. So here right answer is 16. Okay, and not 1 actually. And if you're seniors, then must check out best Amazon product for you in the description. All are Amazon affiliate. If you buy from these links, this will help my channel grow. If you find this video helpful to you, then like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.